Let's look at problem number 8 from homework section 2.2. What's given to you is this blue line, which is absolute value of x. You know the graph of it. What we are looking for is the equation of this, the green one is given. We are looking for this blue one here. So in order to figure out the process, I want to say I started with function f of x. Everything that's horizontal manipulation should be started first because that's corresponding to inside of your function. So what we do is I want to shift my graph to here. So what I end up with is I have here and I go up. I get my graph here and I get my graph there. So this is me shifting my graph of my function to the right by 5 units, which was 0 up to 5. So shift towards the right by 5 units means it's horizontally, it's minus 5 there. The next thing you want to do in order to achieve the blue curve, clearly you want to do a mirror reflection, right? Multiplication comes first, reflection comes first. So what you end up with is something that looks like that. It's a mirror reflection with respect to y-axis. That means you have a negative sign in the front. The last thing you did in order to achieve the blue one is you simply shifted upwards by, let's see, how many units? This is corresponding to 5, 6, 7. So it was a height of 0, you shifted up to a height of 7. So you shifted upwards by 7 units. So you add 7 to your function value, 7 units taller than it was. If the original function was absolute value of x, by replacing x with x minus 5, you end up with this expression. And then whatever you had, you add a negative expression in the front, and then you add a 7 to it. So this is you end up with. But be a little bit careful. What they were asking you is asking for an equation, not an expression. Equation include equality sign. Therefore, your final answer is y equals negative x minus 5 plus 7. Please use lowercase. Do not use the capital Y, okay? So this is what's supposed to be the final answer.